We're going to experiment a little bit here, guys. We're going to take out the igniter, show you what's going to happen. Got a geyser. All right, ladies and gentlemen, working on this Jandy JXiQ gas pool heater. We have a error message of airflow fault. Let's take a look under the hood, see what's going on in here. 5/16 driver opens that up. Now I'm noticing some water along the whole platform of this unit. It does look like we are leaking on the heat exchanger. Man, I swear. Look at this. Jeez Christ. Wow. This heater's shot, man. Water is coming up through the inducer assembly. Good thing I got the gas off. I bet you I got water here. My God. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. If you got a Jandy JXi pool heater and you got issues with it, well, I feel for you. I'm sorry. I'm still a fan of Jandy, regardless of the astronomical amount of heat exchanger failures that I see. Here we have a leak so bad with the heat exchanger that water's coming out of our inducer motor assembly. Ain't that crazy? Want to see something more crazier? Let me take off my gas pressure switch. You got water coming out of the gas piping because it's backfeeding into the gas valve. Thank God the pool company were smart enough to close the gas valve off when they saw something wrong with this. Take a look at this, guys. Look at that water coming out of there. Crazy. We're going to experiment a little bit here, guys. Watch this. We're going to take out the igniter. Show you what's going to happen. Got a geyser. That is nuts, folks. That is nuts. That is what you call a flooded heat exchanger. I jumped there a little bit. Yeah, I'm sorry. I guess I'm soft. This sucks. And that's even with the VersaFlo option. The VersaFlo option on Jandy JXi pool heaters shuts off the heat exchanger and all the waterworks, all the waterways of the pool heater when there's not an active call for cooling. So when you have an active call for heating, sorry, I was thinking about air conditioning. When you have an active call for heating, the VersaFlo opens, allowing water, when the pump is on, to flow through the heat exchanger. When the heating demand is over and the call for heat is complete, the valve closes, and now pool water is not flowing through the pool heater anymore. So the purpose of this is to extend the life of the pool heater heat exchanger. In this case, we installed this JXi 260NK July 2025. It is June 24th, 2026, and this is a fatal flaw, or sorry, say a fatal defect right now. I wouldn't say it's a flaw, but the heat exchanger has failed, it's compromised, and it's flooded with pool water. Everything is saturated, everything's wet inside of it. Everything that where flame and gas normally go now has water in it. Yeah, lovely. Another epic Jandy JXi failure, but makes this even worse. This is the JXiQ. It's even more of a expensive heater. And reach out to my rep, and hopefully they can expedite a warranty replacement.